Are you guys done?
Yeah, almost.
So we got a broody chicken right now. I'm gonna go check her, make sure she's okay. There's a little boy. Here comes all my big fat hens. There's my buttercup. And the mean redhead. You're another redhead. You're mean too. Yeah, you be quiet. What are you eyeballing, boy? Here's my broody hen. You okay, Wood Chip? You got food and water? Oh, okay, I'll leave. The roosters are ganging up on me. They'll be here. The main culprit's over there. Get them all away from me. Hi, boy. Are you okay? Nate? You okay? Can I pet you? Are you the nice one? Yes, you're the nice one, huh? Look at your boy over there dancing around Penguin. The little princess, our little special needs chicken. She's gonna get you. She's gonna get you. Oh, he wants to fight. Look at him. He wants to fight with you. You better get a stick. I told you. Good. Don't. Hey! Turn your back on him. Yeah, boy.
Hi, Tweety.
Hi, Tweety. What you doing, girl?
Can't see you.
I know she can't see. Oh, here comes his backup.
Look, Tweety's going to bed.
Are you nice?
I'm not touching you still.
Are you okay?
Because you'll kick me.
Because he'll kick you.
Peck me.
Oh, peck you. It's okay.
Keep me. Body.
You guys are so soft.
I know, right? You're so soft.
Look. You know what they say about redheads, right?
Look, she's not a redhead.
Yeah, he is. He's a Rhode Island red. They're mean. Redheads are mean.
No. Look, he dyed his hair because his hair's blue. Look, see?
His hair's blue. Ooh, how pretty.
Look, blue hair, not red. And this is not
That's
red.
common. Come here, boy. Come here, let me scratch you. Come over here. I can't reach you. Does that feel good? Come over here. I saw you. You're gonna start moving your leg like a dog. Dude, you're nasty. Oh, that's so gross. Ugh. No, you're done. You just lost it. That's nasty.